How to get Snowberry Seed in Lego Fortnite. Hi everybody, welcome back to another episode. In today's video, I'll be talking about or show you the procedure to get Snowberry Seed in Lego Fortnite. I'll be showing you the procedure on how you could actually do it. So I've actually provided with the link, that is, you could go to sport.com/Fortnite news how to get Snowberry Seed in Lego Fortnite. There are a list of information regarding how you could actually get a Snowberry Seed, as well as why you need to do it or what is the importance of that. So instead of just getting one answer, you could find multiple of it. Now if you want to stick to how you could actually get the Snowberry Seed, then you could go ahead and scroll down a bit and find Snowberry Lego Fortnite. So here they've mentioned, once you build the green mill, you'll need to find some snowberries. Now Lego Fortnite used the random generated island layout to increase the immersion of its survival gameplay. So the exact location of Snowberry Bush will be different from every player. But generally speaking, they're found on the outskirts of the forest land. Once you found the snowberry, you could get snowberry seed by feeding them. Alternatively, you could find snowberry seed in the chest if you are lucky. Likewise, you could also go ahead and read about what with the snowberry seed and like Fortnite. So here they have multiple information. You could go ahead and read it out. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching the next video.